Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg, and in today's video I'm going to show you in Camtasia how easy it is to be able to zoom in and zoom out of a video or a photograph or an image. So this is Camtasia 2019.0. This is just in the dashboard. So first thing we want to do is import. So we can either click on here or see media. We can either add right here. I'll just click on here. And I've got a very short video that we're going to stick in here. So it's in the media bin. We just grab that down here like so. And anything that this cursor is touching was going to show up in this panel right here. All right, so we'll just go to the beginning. Now I'm just going to play it. And for example, if I want to say zoom in on this boat, all right? So for example, I want to go start zooming in right around here. We will go to animations and we have actual size and scale to fit. So we're gonna click on scale to fit here and we're just gonna drag the nodes. Now, don't worry, you're in the trees, that's okay. We're gonna move it like so. Okay, so you can see the boat is right here. You can also see it right here. And this aqua colored arrow is showing you how long, how many seconds it's going to take to go from the actual fit into the zoomed size. So if I just play it here, you'll see zoom, okay? And we can leave it like so. And for example, right here, I say, okay, I want to zoom. If I want to go back to the actual size, I will just click actual size like so. And just center that again. And you'll see it goes back. So here we go. Zooms in and zooms out. All right, very, very easy. Now, if you find that you want to control the timing of that zoom in and zoom out, all you have to do is just click on either the front node or the end node. So if you want to make it earlier and more of a slower, more gradual zoom, then you will just grab it and pull it out like so. Show you. So it's a slower, more gradual, smooth zoom, if you will. And if you want this one to zoom out more slowly, I could just pull that like so. And here we go. So here we are zoomed in and more of a gradual zoom out like so. And we can do that over and over again in our videos. So right here, if I wanted to say zoom in on that rock, I could do it again. So I can just grab it right there, move it over like so. And again, we can play with that. We can make it shorter time. So if I wanted a really quick zoom, I could pull this back to make it smaller. So it's going to be really, really extremely quick. And then if I want it to say go there, actual fit, center it again. And if I want that to be more of a gradual zoom to actual size like so. So I'll show you the very beginning here. Zoom in, zoom out. Now a real fast zoom in is happening right now, boom. And more of a slow one is coming back out. And that is how easy it is to be able to zoom in and zoom out of your video or your image. Now this is really powerful when you really want your audience to specifically watch one particular part of that. For example, if you have some text in a website or something in a document that you really want people to understand and see clearly, it's a very, very powerful way. Or if you just want to showcase something in your video, then that is a really cool way to do it. All right, so guys, I hope you got some value from this quick Camtasia tutorial. If you did, give me a like and hit that bell button and drop me a comment, of course. I'll try to help you any way I can. And also guys, check out my free stuff down below. If you're interested in making money online, you can check that out. Also check out that webinar. It's by a 7-figure affiliate. It shows you his winning formula. All right, my friends, I'm gonna leave it as is. If you have any questions, just let me know. And until then, all the best on your journey. I'll talk to you soon.